Okay, we have a Doosan vertical machining center, model Dnm500 with a 4th axis. Machine was new in 2013. We're gonna run her for you. It's got 40 inches, 40.2 in the X, 21.3 in the Y, 20.1 in the Z. You have a FANUC I series control, 3,500 RPM. Machine goes up to 12,000 RPM. It's Cat 40, 6,500. $8,000 RPM. Okay. It's a 20 horsepower spindle. You have all FANUC drives and motors, as well as the control. Tool change. How many tools do we have here? You have 30 position automatic tool changer. The 4th axis on the machine is a Kitagawa. Right there, he's programming it, it's moving. The table size of the machine is 47.2 by 21.3. That's your Z. The Y. And your X. Machine also has double chip augers into the chip conveyor, and the machine is set up for Renishaw probe and Renishaw tool part probe. So yeah, I need the serial number. Can you guys get me that? NV0010-001-866. Hey, thank you for watching our video.